Engage and respond. Master active listening on calls. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of telephone and video call etiquette: active listening and responding. We'll particularly focus on using verbal and nonverbal cues to show attentiveness. Active listening is all about fully focusing, understanding, responding, and then remembering what's being said during a conversation. Active listening isn't merely hearing. It's about demonstrating interest and understanding. Verbal cues are the words and sounds you make in a conversation. They're critical in active listening as they help you show understanding and attentiveness. Some of the verbal cues include: 1. Affirmative responses. Words like yes, okay, right, aha, are used to show you're following along. 2. Paraphrasing or summarizing. After the speaker has relayed some information, you might rephrase it to confirm your understanding. 3. Asking questions. This indicates that you're engaged and interested in understanding more. 4. Reflective statements. These express empathy by reflecting on feelings the speaker might have mentioned. While on a call, especially a video call, nonverbal cues are equally important. They include: 1. Nodding. This shows agreement or understanding. 2. Facial expressions. Smiling indicates positivity and agreement, while a frown might show confusion or disagreement. 3. Eye contact. This denotes that you are focused and paying attention to the speaker. 4. Posture. Leaning in slightly shows interest and engagement in the conversation. Being an active listener shows the speaker that you respect and value their words. It helps in building stronger, deeper connections and improving communication effectiveness. Whether you're on a business call or just chatting with friends, active listening skills can make your conversations more fruitful. That wraps up our exploration of using verbal and nonverbal cues to demonstrate attentiveness during a call. We hope that this guide helps you improve your active listening skills and become a more empathetic, engaged conversationalist. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to implement these strategies in your daily life. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.